His black nose twitched from side to side, sniffing and sniffing for the scan of Tigger. He found no need, and he was just about to go trotting forward into the wood when he heard a touch. He heard a tiny noise, a soft rustling sound as though someone had moved off foot ever so gently touched a part of their livers. Mr. Fox felt then his body against the ground and lay very still, his ears pricked. He waited a long time, but he heard nothing more. It must have been a foul mouse, he told himself, or some other small animal. He climbed a little farther out of the hole, then farther still. He was almost right out in the open. Now he took a last careful look around. The wood was murky and very still. Somewhere in the sky the moon was shining. Just then his sharp night easy caught a glint of something bright behind a tree not far away. It was a small silver speck of moonlight shining on earth. What it was it? Now it was moving. It was coming up and up. Great big beyond it was the bird of a gun, quickly as a whip. Mr. Fox jumped back into his hole, and at that some instant the winter would seem to explode around him. Bang, 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 bang. The smoke from the three guns floated upward in the night. Our bugs and bugs and beans come out from behind their trees and walked towards the hole. Did we get him? Said Ben. One of them shone a flashlight on the hole, and three on the ground in the circle of light, half in and half out of the hole lay the poor traitor blood stained remnants of a fox's tail. Ben quickly it off. We got the tail, but we missed the fox. He said, tossing the thing away. Dang it, Brass, said Buggers. We should have let fly the moment he poked his hair out. He won't be picking it was again in a hurry. Bones said, Ben pulled a fox from his pocket and took a swing of kinder than he said the tail took 3 days at last before he gets hungry it's to come out again. I'm not there around here waiting for that lasting him out, said Burgers. Now you're talking sense. We can dig him out in a couple of hours. We know history. I loved it. There were family of them down that whole bunch said. Then where have the lots that been get the shovels?